All right, let's look at this one. Vivian bought a new book on Saturday. She read 112 pages on Saturday night and 96 pages on Sunday. The book has 365 pages. Which equation can be used to find the number of pages that Vivian needs to read to finish the book? Okay, so let's look at our important information. Let's think about what our question is asking us. Which equation can be used to find the number of pages that Vivian needs to read to finish the book? Okay, well, what do we know about the number of pages that she has or the number of pages that she's already read? She read 112 on Saturday, 112 pages, and she read 96 pages on Sunday. The book has 365 pages. So what does this information tell us? Well, I know my book has a total of 365 pages. She's already read some on Saturday and some on Sunday. And I'm trying to figure out how much she has left. So I have a strip diagram down here, and I'm going to plug my numbers into my strip diagram to help me determine what this is going to look like. So 365 pages total. 112 pages read on Saturday and 96 pages read on Sunday. This is going to be the leftover. This empty part in your strip diagram, this is the remaining number of pages she has to finish. Okay, so this strip diagram is going to be multi-step. All right, I'm going to have to do two different things. I'm going to have to do two different steps to solve this problem. So do I have 365 plus 112 minus 96? Well, I have a total, and then I have a part, and I'm missing a part. When I'm missing a part, I know we have to subtract because something here is going to equal, all three of these together are going to equal 365. So she has a total number of pages. On Saturday, she read 112. She doesn't have those pages anymore. She's done reading them. So it's like she took them away. She subtracted 112 pages from her 365. Then on Sunday, she read 96 more pages. She read them. She doesn't have them anymore, so she took them away. She got rid of them. That's another subtraction. So which one of these is going to be your correct answer? 365 minus 112 minus 96. The reason we're not adding is this 365 pages total. She did not add 112 more pages to her book. She read them. She took them away. The reason that letter C is not correct, 365 minus 112 plus 96. Again, she did not add 96 more pages. She took them away. She got rid of them. She doesn't have them anymore. Letter B here would be your correct answer. You're going to practice something similar to this on the next page, and there's also going to be a strip diagram for you to fill out to help guide you choosing the correct answer.